Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel on PC step by step. Open your browser and sign into your Microsoft account or create one. Choose between Microsoft 365 subscription or a standalone Office purchase, then pick the Excel app. Download the installer, run it, and follow on-screen prompts to complete setup. Activate Excel with your account or product key, then open the app and sign in to sync settings and files. Microsoft 365 is the simplest way to get Excel and keep it updated. Sign in to your Microsoft account and subscribe to the plan that fits you best, then download Office from your account portal. Run the installer and follow prompts to install Excel and other apps. Activation happens automatically when you sign in, and your files sync to OneDrive so you can access spreadsheets across devices without extra steps or manual transfers. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation: here's a helpful read, The Simple Path to Wealth, that pairs well with saving for software and managing tech budgets. I mention it casually because budgeting for tools like Excel matters. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If you prefer a one-time purchase, buy Office Home and Student or similar editions for a single PC license. Download the installer from your Microsoft account or use the provided media, then run the setup and enter your product key when prompted. Activation links Excel to your device without subscription billing. This approach gives you a perpetual license with security updates, but feature upgrades require a new purchase rather than automatic updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.